I drink water every morning. I drink water every morning. She cooked delicious food for dinner. She cooked delicious food for dinner. What time is it now? What time is it now? They live in a big house. They live in a big house. I love reading books in my free time. I love reading books in my free time. He goes to school every day. He goes to school every day. She is my best friend. She is my best friend. He has a lot of work to do today. He has a lot of work to do today. I need some money to buy groceries. I need some money to buy groceries. Tomorrow is a holiday. Tomorrow is a holiday. I like to watch stars at night. I like to watch stars at night. She has a good job in a multinational company. She has a good job in a multinational company. What is your name? What is your name? My birthday is in December. My birthday is in December. I go for a walk every morning. I go for a walk every morning. Let's meet in the evening. Let's meet in the evening. Can I borrow your phone? Can I borrow your phone? I love listening to music while studying. I love listening to music while studying. Let's watch a movie tonight. Let's watch a movie tonight. My father is a doctor. My father is a doctor. My mother cooks delicious food. My mother cooks delicious food. I have a younger brother. I have a younger brother. She is my elder sister. She is my elder sister. He is a good son to his parents. He is a good son to his parents. She is a talented daughter. She is a talented daughter. The doctor prescribed some medicine for my cold. The doctor prescribed some medicine for my cold. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Can you please pass the salt? Can you please pass the salt? I would like some tea. I would like some tea. No, I am not hungry. No, I am not hungry. I am sorry for being late. I am sorry for being late. Excuse me, can you help me? Excuse me, can you help me? Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? I want to eat some rice. I want to eat some rice. Practice these and you will learn to speak English faster. I say one thing again and again. To speak English, you have to practice regularly. Only then you can speak English. It is not possible to speak English without practice. So, if you want to speak English, practice it from today. Like or comment if you like the video. Stay well and keep learning English with me.